We're coming up on the end of the year. It's the holiday season. It's a great time of year. There's a lot of fun stuff going on. Don't forget about your financial checklist for the year end. Holidays, maybe I should have worn a Santa hat for this video. Maybe I'll get him to put in some holiday music under. That'll sound good. Hi, I'm Antonio Sabella. Welcome to the latest video. It's getting close to the year end. It's time to go over the year end financial planning checklist. I got a short list of a couple of things that you need to make sure that you check out before the end of the year so you can take full advantage of everything that's available. So, item number 1 on the list: retirement contributions. Whether you're contributing to an IRA, 401k, simple IRA, 403b, you're coming up on the time where you need to get your contributions in. Yeah, with IRAs, you technically have until tax filing next year. It's a year-end video. Just see where you're at and make sure you're maxing out your contributions. It's a good time of year to do it. It's also a good time of year to look into bumping your contributions for the next year. I get a video about that. Add 1% each year to your retirement contributions. Why not do it now? Set it up so that next year you're putting away more money than you did this year. You'll be happy for it in the future. Outside of retirement plan contributions, how about Roth conversions? We love to talk about Roth conversions. Take a look at where you're going to be income-wise for the year. Take a look at those brackets and see if you can fill up the next bracket by converting some money from traditional to Roth. Get Uncle Sam out of the retirement plan. Get that money growing tax-free for the future. So Roth conversions, item number 2 to review for the end of the year. Item number 3, how about giving some money away? How about charity? You can make charitable contributions. If you itemize, you may be able to deduct those from your taxes next year, but you got to give it away now so that you can claim it next year when you file. The other thing that you can do there is what's called a qualified charitable distribution, or a QCD. A QCD is taking money from a qualified account like an IRA, donating it directly to a charity, and if you do that, the money comes out tax-free. You won't get a tax deduction, but the money comes out of the plan without you having to pay taxes on it because you've donated that money to a charity. Now, there's limitations on how much you can do with all of this stuff in the video. Consult your tax advisor. This is not tax advice. You should get information from YouTube videos. It should be good information. You should not be taking advice from YouTube videos. So gather the information here, take it back to your person and have a look at that. So we talked about qualified charitable distributions as well. Another good topic: tax loss harvesting. Tax loss harvesting is if you've got losses in your portfolio, and this year we know the stock market has not been our friend, and so you may have some losses on some positions that you have. If it's in a non-qualified account, you can harvest a potential tax loss by selling that. Now, there's rules about buying right back into it. You can't do that, and it's called a wash sale. Again, this is a checklist to take to your person, but look into tax loss harvesting as an option if you've got non-qualified investment accounts. And then the last one, I don't know what we're on now, 4, 5, whatever number we're on. The last thing to do before the end of the year, check out your estate plan. Do you have a trust? Do you have a will? Shockingly, in prepping for the video, I know a lot of people don't have wills. I was blown away. More than 50% of adult Americans have no estate plan. They don't have a will, they don't have a trust. Everybody knows that you need one. My guess is, if you're watching the video, you know that you need one. 50% chance or more that you don't have one. If you don't have one, maybe make that a New Year's resolution and get in touch with somebody. You might not be able to get with an attorney here year end, but if you don't have one, let this serve as a reminder, the kick in the pants, to talk to somebody and get that set up. So, a couple of quick things for you to review before year end. Again, talk to your financial advisor, talk to your tax professional, work through all of this stuff because some of it's got specific time frames that it's got to be done by the end of the year so that you don't miss out. I hope you learned something today. I thank you for being here, and I'll see you soon.